This is 4942. We call her Rose. She is one of the many unfortunate mothers of the dairy industry. What you see is a result of years of use of her body for her milk. Cows like Rose are routinely forced into pregnancy and will then have their calves removed so that we can consume their milk instead. This process is repeated to the point of physical and emotional exhaustion. When they stop producing, they will be sent to slaughter. Rose is emaciated, has untreated pustular lesions, infectious edemas on both legs, erythema, and severe laminitis. Infections of this degree and evidence of pus suggest a higher than acceptable number of somatic cells in her milk due to increased levels of white blood cells. It is these cells that are considered disease-causing agents in humans. Not only are the conditions like this a source of consistent pain and discomfort, common symptoms often include lethargy and severe depression. This farm is linked with Arla, the fourth largest milk producer in the world, who boast good conditions for their cows and claim good animal welfare is part of our promise. And if a cow gets sick, we treat them right away. Our investigators monitored Rose over the span of a month and saw no signs of treatment. And Rose was not the only cow on this farm who was seen to suffer. If this is a good condition, if this is immediate treatment, then what does neglect look like to the dairy industry? What may be disheartening most of all is that Rose didn't even need to be here if we would have all chosen different items at the supermarket. You can help cows like Rose by ditching dairy and choosing plant-based alternatives today.